Picture a goldfish swimming lazy circles in a bowl, passing the same plastic castle over and over and over again, completely oblivious. No memory, no awareness, just an endless loop of blissful, brainless existence. It's one of the most enduring images in popular culture, and it is absolutely, completely, scientifically false. The idea that goldfish have a 3-second memory has been repeated so confidently for so long that it's become cultural shorthand for we use it in everyday language. We use it to describe forgetful friends. It's even been referenced in film, television, and comedy for decades. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Nobody seems to know where this myth actually came from. There's no original study, no founding experiment, no moment of scientific discovery. It simply appeared, spread, and became accepted as fact without a single shred of evidence behind it. Sound familiar? Because the science tells a completely different story. Researchers at Plymouth University trained goldfish to press a lever to receive food. Not only did they learn how to do it, they remembered it, returning to the lever consistently, demonstrating clear memory retention over periods of months. Not seconds! Months. But it gets better. Scientists discovered that goldfish can be trained to respond to specific sounds, recognize feeding times with remarkable accuracy, and even navigate mazes, remembering the correct route days later. In fact, one of the most compelling experiments involved feeding goldfish at the same location in their tank at the same time every day. Within days, they began anticipating the feeding, gathering at that exact spot before the food arrived. That is not a 3-second memory. That is a functioning, adapting, team-aware brain. And here's the detail that will genuinely surprise you. Goldfish can recognize their owners. Studies showed they respond differently to familiar human faces compared to strangers. A fish recognizing a face. And here's one final fact to completely seal the deal. Goldfish have a brain structure that supports long-term memory formation. They experience something researchers describe as comparable to REM sleep, the deep sleep phase in humans most associated with memory consolidation. Your goldfish might be processing memories while it sleeps. Let that one swim around for a moment. The 3-second memory myth didn't survive because it was true. It survived because it was convenient. A neat little story that stuck unchallenged, unquestioned, repeated by millions. And that's exactly why these videos exist, because the truth, almost every single time, is so much more interesting than the myth. Your goldfish remembers you. The question is, do you deserve to be remembered?